So I am offering a free program right now. It's called the Income Accelerator Workshop. And this includes my proven simple process for shifting from the side hustle, the moonlighting, the idea that, someday I'll quit my job. Someday I'll work from home. Someday I will have control over my time and my location and the type of work that I do and my income, right? So this is really all about generating enough income so that you can quit your job. Now, I'm taking everything that I teach in what's typically a 3 to 6 month program. This is going to sound a little crazy. Everything I teach in 3 to 6 months, I'm jam packing it into 7 days. And my goal is to leave you with everything that you need to be able to increase your income in your side hustle, right? And actually turn it into your main source of income. Be able to leave your job and be able to live that, that dream life. You can actually work from home. You can actually work for, 20 hours a week and totally replace your income from your job. You don't need the corporate world to pay your bills. So if this sounds like something that, maybe it's something that you've been thinking about and you're kind of dipping your toes in the water and you've got this side business or you have some idea for something that you want to do, and maybe you've gotten some clients, maybe you haven't, whatever, but it's something that, you really are just, you're ready to shift your life from working for somebody else to working for yourself. If you're really ready to dive all in with it, I want you to get the most that you can out of it. So this is for people who are genuinely ready to just dive in, right? Go all in. So this is a free workshop, and every coach and mentor I've ever had would just hate me for doing this. This is the only time that I'm going to be offering this for free. So seriously, if you're ready, just jump in, sign up at the link below, hit the chat button if you have any questions, and we will see you soon.